Let me ask you a question. Do you think making $10,000 a month on Amazon KDP is still possible today? If you are trying to sell blank notebooks, the answer is no. But look at this actual market data for the word search niche right on Amazon. Look closely at the screen. Now look at the BSR. It is incredibly low and stable all year round. See this column? The search volume is absolutely exploding. Look at this revenue column. Basic, simple puzzle books are quietly pulling in thousands of dollars every single month. This is an evergreen beast. Adults and seniors buy these by the dozens to keep their brains sharp. The demand is infinite, and you don't need any design skills to create them, because doing it the normal way is pure hell. We know, because we spent 3 years struggling with it. First, you deal with garbage AI. You use standard tools, and they spit out words that are wildly off topic, or way too long. You spend hours just fixing words. Then comes the formatting nightmare. You buy a generic puzzle generator, but it's a blind box. While you need premium fonts and custom backgrounds to stand out, they lock you into one boring font and ugly, uneditable grids. And the worst part? They leave you completely on your own for the hardest steps. There are no table of contents templates, no auto intros, and definitely no premium cover templates included. You have to manually calculate every page number, write everything from scratch, and painstakingly format an entire puzzle book by hand. It takes days of exhausting work just to publish one simple book. You want a passive income empire, but you end up with a full-time, underpaid job. That's exactly why we built our own internal system, a system that generated over $19,000 for us from just one single book. And today, we are handing you the keys. Introducing the Word Search Puzzle Generator by KreatorKits. It's not just a puzzle maker, it's a complete one-click publishing engine built by real six-figure sellers. Say goodbye to garbage words. Our built-in AI system prompts and Niche Hunter guarantee perfect, grid-ready word lists instantly. You also get instant access to our vault of 10,000 plus done-for-you words across 500 proven topics. No more blind boxes. You work directly on a live canvas that feels like a real book layout. You have full control to choose from 10 plus premium fonts, upload your own custom backgrounds, or let our AI generate stunning visuals for you. You can even insert vector graphics right onto the page to create premium coloring activity books. And the best part? With just one click, the Word Search Puzzle Generator by KreatorKits generates a massive, complete puzzle book all at once. It automatically builds a professional intro page, perfectly calculates your table of contents, and instantly formats your solution keys with 4 or 6 grids per page. Generate full books in seconds, not days. When you're ready, simply export your 100% KDP-Ready files in PDF or JPG formats. But we don't just give you the software. To ensure your book actually sells, you will also receive 5 premium KDP cover templates designed by experts to get clicks and dominate the market. The Word Search Puzzle Generator is a 100% cloud-based platform. No heavy software to install. You get full commercial rights, priority support, and continuous feature updates because we use this exact tool for our own business daily. No design skills needed, no monthly fees. It's time to stop letting competitors steal your royalties. Click the button below to secure your lifetime access at our massive introductory discount. Try it 100% risk-free for 30 days. Let's build your KDP empire today. See you on the inside.